Hello there guys, it's me again. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix an unknown network error has occurred in Instagram. Yeah guys, as you know, this is a big problem that could make a mess in your secretary, but don't worry about it. It has a lot of tricks that could be mix it and get a full fixing site on this problem. Firstly, what you need to do when you get this problem is just simply get up to your Instagram and go for settings on your phone. Then you need to choose for applications, and then you need to select the second selection that says manage applications. Right after that, when you get up to the search box, you need just to type for the application. In this case is Instagram. Click on that site, then scroll down and find for the selection that says restrict data usage. Click on it, and here guys, you need to make sure that both of them are selected. As you can see here, they are not selected, and then we need to go and tick on the two sides and go for OK. Right after that, the second thing what you need to do, just simply go for Play Store on your phone again, and getting up to your Instagram, you need to go for uninstall, and right after that you need to go and install it again and go for open. Now guys, as you see, we have worked on Android, but don't worry about it, it is the same process on iPhone. I hope that these fixes methods had helped you for fixing on this issue. Thanks so guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.